What happen every time when I'm working on my PC, I have to go toward the switchboard to turn on or off my room lights or fan. While doing this, I am thinking about, can I build such a system that can control my room lights over my computer or while using my smartphone. So I do some research about it and gather all the components required for this project and start making it. So let's make it. For making this project, I am using Arduino Uno and an ESP01 Wi-Fi module, which is the cheapest Wi-Fi module available. I made the connection as per this circuit diagram. And the communication happening between ESP module and the computer, it shows in this block diagram. When I enter the IP address of ESP module in my web browser, it shows the web page. So here we can see there are two options. One is for turning on the LED and other is for turning off the LED. When I click the option turning on, it's turn on the LED on my Arduino and vice versa, which is connected to my Wi-Fi network, and my computer is also connected to it. So for communication, I am using an ESP8266 Wi-Fi library, which is responsible for all communication taking place between my Wi-Fi network and my ESP module. If you want more about this code, then check the link in the description where you find all the details regarding this project. The communication taking place between a web browser and the ESP module, it's only over the Wi-Fi network. That means if the internet connectivity is gone, this system still going to work because it's not communicating over the internet. In this part 1, we saw how we can control a LED over a web browser. This is the end of a part 1. There are some drawbacks in this system. It is bit trickier to put the IP address which is assigned to the ESP module every time in a browser to control the LED or other thing. So to solve this problem, the next part I am making an application and controlling actual AC appliances, which will do this work more easier. So make sure you subscribe for that, and thanks for watching my video.